The markets pop bullish. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. Markets take off. You have the S&P up more than 1%. Same for the Dow. Nasdaq up 1.7%, with the small caps up 1.4%. However, here's the big issue, gang. Pay attention to the banks. The banks down 0.14%. If the markets were going to be this strong, you should have had the financials here supporting it. But what you do have is the VIX big time supporting today's movement. So we go up by 1% overall on average, let's say here on the major indices. VIX down a staggering 7%. However, the banks and the financials still subpar from what we'd like to see for any sort of meaningful market rally. With that, a lot of people are selling these rallies. So instead of buying the dips, they are selling the rallies. Gold up a fraction, silver down a fraction, and crude oil up yet again 0.9%, with the US dollar down 0.37%. Transportation index up solidly, up 1.64%. Utilities taking a little bit of a hit here, down 0.2%. And taking a look here at the S&P 500, we had this support line coming across, support broken, acted as resistance yesterday, boom, powered through it. The Feds came out with some dovish minutes today, and that helped the markets close at its high. So you have no lower shadow, no upper shadow, a nice gap higher, and a rally above the 20-day moving average. So we are popping back up. But if you look at this trading range, look how many days we've been spending, above 1840 and below, well, about 1900 or 1890 area. A lot of candlesticks in between here. This is called a trading range. So we're caught in this trading range right now. And I'm going to pull a fib on you here. Watch this. I'm going to go from the high down to that low and show you 61.8, 1875. Be looking at 1875 as an area of resistance. So that could certainly be an area of resistance to be watching for. So be checking that out. You have the Nasdaq here. Nice little pop. We talked about the symmetrical triangle breakdown. Watch for a dead cat bounce. Boom, we got that. Now we're right here at a resistance point. Be looking at that as a sell area. We're at that right now. And take a look here at the VIX. There's VIX big drop today on Wednesday. Gold, we have what's called a bear pullback. So be very careful if you are in gold right now, because this is a big drop, a little bear pullback. So this is a great area to be looking to sell gold. If you were to do this, we're looking, we could even quite make it to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. We are stalling at the rising 50-day and the falling 20-day moving averages. So this looks like really good opportunity of some droppage taking place here on silver or on gold. Silver, we drop a little bear flag or a low base formation or pennant. It's just ugly. However you want to look at this, we did have a gap down run up trying to find support, but here's the bottom line. That's a low base formation with a lot of downside opportunity. So be careful with that. Apple was up more than 1%. Symmetrical triangle drop. Here's our hammer. Look for a dead cat bounce. We'll come up and find the resistance and sell into that. It's broken. Amazon broke over resistance point. I said, wow, watch this. We could break out above resistance. Sure enough, that's happening. We have a bullish divergence here. So be looking for upside potential here on Amazon. Facebook up a staggering 7.25%. And I would say at this, even though we rallied strongly here, oh man, let me draw a couple lines, see what's happening. Yeah, we broke a resistance point. And I'm gonna let me see where we're at on this. Broke that area. Yeah, so we do have some resistance coming up. Just be careful with Facebook if you're going to look to play that one. Google, I was corrected here that it's Google with an L now. There we are. So thank you, Dr. Mike, letting me know about that. So anyway, dropping, nice bear pullback. Look for a selling opportunity here on Google, LinkedIn. We hit resistance. Watch for it to drop. It was up 4%. Microsoft was up 1.6%. Just a little dead cat bounce, come up, kiss of death, and a drop. Netflix trying to come off the bottom of the rising 20-day moving average. Twitter up 1.7%. Twitter, man, could be a buying opportunity if we could start breaking out of this. I'd want to see a nice big white candlestick or green with some volume following that. That would be decent to see. And I didn't get the email sent out yet, but we do have a free class coming up that I think you guys will, that I think you guys will appreciate. Just go to the website here. Here they are. Tomorrow night at 9, I'm going to be teaching trading foundations. Well, why trading is not gambling, and how to stack the odds in your favor. Don't miss it. We're also going to do it Friday afternoon at 1 p.m. and then Saturday morning, and this is all Eastern Daylight Savings Time here on the East Coast. I'll try to get an email out, but hey, listen gang, we have been having some issues. We had a big system update. When that happened, it messed up usernames and passwords. So actually it didn't mess up any usernames. Here's the deal. Come to the website, go to log in. If you can't log in, just click forgot password, and it will give you some random password. Get logged in. Once you do that, just go to the profile up here on the page right here. Bring this down a little bit so you can see it right here, profile. When you click on profile, now you can go right here to the passwords and set your password to whatever you want it to be. Very simple. Sorry for the inconvenience, man. We're looking to actually restore the system, so this won't be a problem for anybody. But anyway, you don't have to register. You don't have to log in to click on these links to get going on this. So I hope you guys can get registered. We'll see you guys at least tomorrow night, if not Friday or Saturday, for the class. Take care.